Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Battery Box is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or relies on portable power. These boxes are designed to keep your batteries safe from the elements, ensuring they last longer and perform reliably. Whether you're camping, boating, or just need a dependable power source, a waterproof battery box is a smart investment. Number 5. Newport Smart Battery Box with USB and DC ports. This smart battery box makes connecting your trolling motor or other accessories incredibly easy. You can safely connect to the battery ports without even opening the box. It features dual integrated circuit breakers, a 10 amp and a 60 amp, to protect your devices. This ensures the safety of your trolling motor and other accessories from electrical damage. The box includes a direct USB charger and a 12V accessory port. This allows for convenient connection of various DC accessories, keeping everything powered up. It fits Group 24 and 27 batteries, and the LED meter shows the battery charge level. The non-slip rubberized feet will keep it in place. With dimensions of 17 by 12 by 10 inches, this battery box is compact yet durable. It's designed to provide reliable power and protection for your boating needs. What we like. This box features convenient external battery ports, making connections a breeze. It also includes dual integrated circuit breakers for added safety. If you're looking for a user-friendly box with multiple ports for your accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. It protects it well and we are able to easily check the battery percentage. Also, we took our air machine on the raft and was able to plug it into the cigarette-type charger. On this case, it was quick and simple to air our raft back up out on the lake. This box is a beast. From the strength of the connectors, to the good water tightness, not waterproof, of the box and to the box's ability to work after being completely underwater for Lord only knows how long, this box is something else. Number 4. NOCO SnapTop HM082BKS Battery Box. This is a heavy-duty battery box designed for 12-volt lawn and garden, tractor, and mobility batteries. It's built to withstand tough conditions, ensuring your battery is well protected. The box features patented locking tabs that securely fasten the lid to the base. It also has reinforced handles to prevent cracking when you move it around. This battery box is made to last. It's impact resistant down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit and unaffected by acid, gas, oil, and UV exposure. The design limits battery movement and protects against accidental shorting of battery terminals. It also collects battery acid and allows for proper ventilation. The NOCO SnapTop HM082BKS meets the standards of the United States Coast Guard and the American Boat and Yacht Council. You can trust it to keep your battery safe. What we like. This box is built to withstand tough environments, with impact resistance and protection against various elements. It's also USCG certified, ensuring safety. If you need a reliable and durable box for outdoor use, this one is perfect for you. What people say. This box fits you one batteries nicely, with a little bit of wiggle room inside. Roomy enough to store 2 small motorcycle batteries needed for a solar installation for our driveway gate. It came with straps to mount, and keep it out of the dirt. Exactly what we needed, and will last a long time. Number 3. Ghost Control's ABBT Battery Box Kit, ABBT-NB. This battery box kit is designed for vehicular swing gates or deer feeders. It can hold up to 2 12V, 7.0 amp-hour batteries. Please note that the batteries are not included. The box is designed to accommodate 2 AXBT 12V, 7.0 amp-hour batteries. This ensures a reliable power source for your devices. It's a convenient and efficient solution. It features a removable lid for easy access. You can also secure it with a padlock, which is not included, to prevent unauthorized access. This design provides both convenience and security. The battery box can be easily mounted to a post. This allows for flexible placement and installation. It's a user-friendly design for various applications. It includes a strain relief fitting on the bottom to protect the wires. Also, it comes with a battery harness that has an inline fuse for added safety. These features ensure durability and protection. What we like. This box can hold up to 2 batteries, providing extended power. It features a lockable lid for security and easy mounting options. If you need a secure and versatile box for your gate or feeder, consider this one. What people say. It holds 2 batteries as it says. I've had it installed for 3 years now and it still holds up just fine. It came with connectors that made proper installation easy. The box makes everything look neat and professional for the gate opener. I have 2 batteries in it on solar and once fully charged, we've had no issues with power running low. Number 2. Dakota Lithium POWERBOX 10, 12V LiFePO4 battery. This is the POWERBOX 10, designed to fuel your adventures. It's a mobile power station that's lightweight but powerful, ready to go wherever you do. The POWERBOX 10 comes with a long-lasting LiFePO4 battery. This battery provides more cycles than traditional batteries, making it a cost-effective and reliable choice. Inside, the POWERBOX 10 features a battery management system. This system ensures optimal performance and protects the battery, extending its life. Use it for camping, construction, or emergencies. It can power your phone, camera, or other devices. It's also great for powering fishing equipment and more. Dakota Lithium stands behind the POWERBOX 10 with an 11-year warranty. The company offers US-based customer support to help you with any questions. What we like. This box comes with a 12V LiFePO4 battery, offering long-lasting power. It is water and shock resistant, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. If you are looking for a complete power solution with a long warranty, you should consider this one. What people say. I can use it to recharge my USB cells, run my USB fan, and charge my phone, to name a few uses. Worked great. Fácil de conectar y de transportar tres puertos de carga para celular o una GoPro. Number 1. Dakota Lithium POWERBOX 10, 12V LiFePO4 battery. This is the POWERBOX 10, designed to fuel your adventures. It's a mobile power station that's lightweight but powerful, ready to go wherever you do. The POWERBOX 10 includes a 12V Dakota Lithium LiFePO4 10A battery, USB ports, and more. It's perfect for camping, off-grid living, marine activities, and kayaking. This battery offers 2,000+ cycles, far exceeding traditional lead-acid batteries. This means it lasts longer, providing more value over time. It offers 200% more power, half the weight, charges 5x faster, and lasts 4x longer than traditional SLA batteries. The POWERBOX 10 features a battery management system, BMS. This technology ensures cell balancing, protects against voltage fluctuations, and prevents short circuits, extending the battery's life. Use it as a mobile charging station for your devices while camping or working remotely. It can also power fish finders, trolling motors, and action cameras. You can recharge it in as little as 3 to 5 hours with Dakota Lithium solar panels. Dakota Lithium stands behind the POWERBOX 10 with an 11-year warranty. They also offer US customer and technical support. What we like. This box comes with a 12V LiFePO4 battery, offering long-lasting power. It is water and shock resistant, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. If you are looking for a complete power solution with a long warranty, you should consider this one. What people say. I can use it to recharge my USB cells, run my USB fan, and charge my phone, to name a few uses. Worked great. Fácil de conectar y de transportar tres puertos de carga para celular o una GoPro. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.